Hello, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm just going to continue where I left off on the other one. So this is going to be ace 7, ace and 7, and what it is with ace and 7 I can test S, DS, S and H. So I test across here as well. I'm also testing one ace. Okay. So now I'm going to do the test. So there's the first one with ace, and then I add the second card, and as you can see the key hand there is 18, and that's wrong. Ace and 8, it should be ace 7. So as you can see they're all wrong. So what I need to do is I'm going to go straight into the debugger for this. And I think my breakpoint should still be on there. So let me just run the test. Okay, so I'm just going to step through it now. And as you can see, I've stepped through the code and it's got ace count equals 0. So that means that line is wrong there because we've got one ace in the hand. So it's going to be line 207. If I go to 207, that's 206. But anyway, there's an error in this line. Okay, and I can see that the error is it should be 11 instead of 1. So things like that, it's extremely difficult to spot things like that. Okay. So now that that's been fixed, let's test it again. So 11, and then it's got it as 8-7. It's got the real count as 18, which is correct. So what it is, it should give an S. Right there. Okay, you should give an S. And can you see there's an S? There's an S, so that's correct. And now I've changed the dealer card to 2, and that should also be an S, so that's correct. Now I've changed the dealer card to a 3, so that's here. And now it's changed to DS. Now I'm going to change the dealer card to a 9, and that should be H, which is correct. You see that H here. Then I'm going to add a 9 to the hand, and that should be 17. Even though we got an ace, because the ace is only counted as 1, it's now a soft value. It's now a hard value. It's no longer a soft value, so it's not showing ace. In fact, let me just check something. 11 and 9, 27, yeah, 17. So it's showing 17, so it's counting the ace as a 1 here. So that's correct. And last but not least, here it's bossed. So the total is 26. The real count is 26. That means the ace is a 1 and it's still 26. So that's a boss, and it's showing that correctly. Okay. So this one has passed the test. So I'm going to test 2 aces now. Which I do by doing that. Okay. So what I'm going to also test is I'm going to make this hand boss at 22. So it's got ace, ace, 12. That's going to be 12. Okay, and that's going to say split. Ace, ace, 12. It's going to count as 12. Then that's going to be 13. then that's going to be 13 again. 13 plus 9 is 22. So we can test the error with 22. 22 should be U. Okay? So I'll test that now. So we've got 11 and we've got, okay, we've got 2 aces. And it's showing us P. Real count is 12, that's correct. We add the other one and it counts it as 1. And it's still a soft total, so it's 13. Then we add a 10 and it becomes still 13. And now it's a hard total. You see the ace has gone. Here it's 13 with the ace. Now it's got a hard total. So it's going to look for what you do on a hard total. So that's correct. And now it's bust. It's got 2-2, and it's put it as bust. Now when we look up 2-2, it comes up with if the dealer's got 10 and you've got 2-2. Imagine if I didn't spot this. Imagine if I didn't put this in. What would happen is when you bust with 22, it would count you as having 2-2. You probably wouldn't win many hands with 2-2. In fact, you probably would, because the dealer would bust in some of the hands. If the dealer had 16 and you had 2-2, like in this case, if we missed that, that's when when you do a million trials, you would have had the total come out to 0.4. It wouldn't be 0.46, and it would be extremely difficult for you to find where the bug is. Okay. So, looking at this, all the tests passed. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment them all out for the time being, just so that I can minimize them like that. Okay. So now that this populate cards have been tested, we're going to have to handle splits. So I'm going to save that for the next video. So I'm going to finish now. Until next time, bye.